Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I will show you how you can make a mini book out of a single piece of paper. For this activity, you will need a piece of paper in the size and color of your choice, and a pair of scissors. Begin by folding the paper in half the wide way, and crease the paper in both directions. Then, fold the outside ends of the paper into the middle like this. For each fold, we will crease the paper in both directions to make our last step much easier. Next, fold the paper in half the skinny way, like this. Now, when you open the paper all the way, you should be able to count 8 equally shaped rectangles. Fold the paper in half the wide way one more time and use your scissors to cut carefully from the crease to the center of the paper like this. Lastly, fold the paper in half the skinny way and pinch the middle pieces out in both directions. Then, fold the paper together like this, and voila, you have a mini book to write and illustrate in. I am going to fill the pages of my book with stamped images so that I can try new art materials and see what might happen. When I use stamps, I simply press a stamp into an ink pad, and then I test it first on a piece of scrap paper. If I like how it looks, I can stamp that design into my book and see what story might unfold. I teach my artists about a studio habit for creators called stretch and explore. This is a metaphorical way to say, try new things, learn from mistakes, and see what happens. As you watch, you may imagine what story is unfolding in my mini book. If you chose to use an ink pad and stamps like me, remember to close the ink pad carefully so that it does not dry out, and leave everything better than you found it. Making a mini book can be a super fun way to play with art materials. You can explore ideas easily on the pages of your book. You'll be amazed at how creative you can be. Happy making, artists! Enjoy!